Hello friends, welcome to Thorough Education on the digital class platform. Myself HV Kevadia, and today we are taking exercise 7.3. But before that, let's see the formulas for area of triangle. Till today, we are familiar with the formula area of triangle equals to half base into height. Height means altitude. This is our basic formula for triangle, area of triangle. Now, if we have triangle drawn in the plane, Cartesian plane, then we have three different vertices: x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Then, how can we find the area of that triangle? The area of the triangle is half large bracket x1 y2 minus y3. If we take x1, then take y2 y3, then take x2 bracket y3 minus y1, then take x3, then take y1 minus y2. Similarly, you can take here y1. Let's see, half y1 bracket x2 minus x3, where it was y2 minus y3, there is x2 minus x3. Here it is y3 minus y1. You can take x3 minus x1 because we have taken y1, y2, y3 out of the bracket. Similarly, y1 minus y2, that is x1 minus x2. So this is our formula to find out area of the triangle. Now let's see exercise 7.3. First exercise, first sum: find the area of the triangle whose vertices are given: a 2 3, b minus 1 0, and c 2 and minus 4. There are two sums in first question. So area of triangle, we have the formula half x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1, x3 y1 minus y2, right? So take the value. Look, x1 means this one. Okay, we have taken x1 is 2, y2 that is 0 minus 4, this is minus 4, y2 minus y3. Similarly, x2 x2 means minus 1 bracket y3 minus y1, so minus 4 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3. Similarly, x3 is 2 bracket y1 minus y2. Okay, so 3 minus 0. Now look at here, step number 3, half 2 into bracket 4, because 0 minus 4, that is plus 4, and minus 1 here, plus minus 1, minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7, and here 2 into 3, because 0 is 0. So we have 2 into bracket 3. Now half 8 plus 7 minus plus 4 2s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. 8 plus 7 plus 6, half into 21. Now you have 21 by 2 divided by 2, that is 10.5 square units. Area is always shown in the square units: square centimeter, square meter, square kilometer, whatever, but there is square unit. Question number 2 in the first: a minus 5 minus 1, b 3 and minus 5, c 5 and 2. Okay, now we have the same formula. Look at here, half x1 bracket y2 minus y3, x2 bracket y3 minus y1, and x3 bracket y1 minus y2. This is simple formula. area of triangle. Okay, half x1 is minus 5, y2 that is minus 5 minus y3 matlab 2, minus 5 minus 2, and x2 is 3 bracket y3 minus y1, here minus, so I have taken here large bracket, curly bracket, 2 minus minus 1, right. 5 is x3, so y1 minus y2, y1 is minus 1 minus minus 5, now minus 5, this one is minus 5, minus 5 minus 2 that is minus 7, and 3 bracket 2 plus 1 minus minus plus 2 plus 1 3, here also minus 1 plus 5 that is 4, so 5 into 4 we have minus minus plus, 5 7s are 35, 3 3s are 9, and 5 4s are 20. Again half into 64, because sum of all these three terms is 64. 64 divided by 2, that is 32 square units. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. In each of the following find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Points are collinear, friends. If the points are collinear, then the area of the triangle must be 0, because collinear points never decide triangle, right. They are in the straight line, so this is not a triangle, therefore the area of triangle is 0. Similar thing we have taken half x1 bracket y2 minus y1, y2 is 1 minus k, x2 5 bracket k minus minus 2, right, x3 is 3 bracket minus 2 minus 1, okay, 7 ones are 7 into k, that is 7k minus 5k, 5 into plus 2 minus minus plus 2, 5 2s are 10, 3 into minus 3, right, minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. You can take like this, 3 2s are 6 minus 6, and 3 1s are 3 minus 1 minus 3, that is here we have 7 10, 7 and 10, that is 17, 5k minus 7k, that is minus 2k, and 3 3s are minus 9, 17 minus 9, that is 8, and 8 minus 2k, right. When we take 2 here, it will be 0, so we have 8 minus 2k, but we can say divide by 2, that is 4 and k. If we divide 8 by 2, we will get 4. If we divide 2k by 2, then we will get k. So here dividing by k, 2, sorry, 4 minus k equals to 0. Then if we take k here, it will be positive, k equals to 4. We have got the answer. Second question in the same question, question number 2. Here also we have to find out k. Look, second, a 8 1, b k and minus 4, c 2 and minus 5. Okay, area of triangle, same formula. Take x1 as 8, then y2 minus y3 minus 4 minus minus 5, k is in x2, then minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1, then c means that x3 means 2 into bracket 1 minus minus 4, okay, half 8 minus 4 minus minus plus 5 minus 4, that is 1, k into minus 6, that is minus 6k, 2 right? Here 2, 2 ones are 2, minus minus plus 4, 2 fours are 8, here is 8. So 8 plus 2, that is 18. 18 minus 6k. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 minus 6k. Here again dividing by 2, or we can say 6. If we divide by 6, 2 will go there. It will be 0. If we divide by 6, 6 3s are 18 and 6 1s are 6. So 3 minus k equals to 0 and k equals to 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of sides of the triangle whose vertices are this, this and this. Midpoint. So first of all we have to find out midpoint. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. This is given triangle. So first of all we will have to find out midpoint. So midpoint of AB is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is 0 plus 2 by 2, 0 plus 2 by 2 and minus 1 plus 1 by 2. That is 2 upon 2, 0 upon 2. So 1 and 0 is the first midpoint of AB. Similarly, midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. Look at BC, B and C. 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. Right? We have got 2 by 2 upon 2 by 2 and 4 by 2. That is 1 and 2. Similarly, midpoint of AC. Look at A and C. 0 plus 0 by 2. Minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Okay. Then we have got 0 by 2 and 2 by 2. That is 0 and 1. Now we have this triangle P 1 0, Q 1 2 and R 0 1. Right? Now area of triangle ABC, we have to find out both the area ABC and PQR. Then we will get ratio. Okay, area of triangle ABC, we have taken this formula. In ABC, we have to take these 3 points which are given in the question. 3 points. And in PQR, we will take these points. Okay. Now half 0, 0 into 1 minus 3, it will become 0. 2 into 3 minus minus 1. That is minus minus plus 3, 2 into 4, 0 into minus 2, it will also become 0. Both are 0, 4 2s are 8 only. So 1 half into 8, that is 4 square unit. Similarly, area of PQR. In area of PQR, we have taken 3 points of P, Q and R. Half 1 into 2 minus 1. 1 into 1 minus 2, 1 minus 0, 0 into 0 minus 2. So we will get here 2 minus 1, that is 1, 1 into 1. Here also 1 into 1 because 0 not considered, and here we will get 0. So here look at this 1, 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 1 upon 2 into 2, that is 1 square unit. Now ratio of the areas of triangle PQR and ABC, area of PQR upon area of ABC. Area of PQR is 1, area of ABC is 4, so ratio is 1:4. Question number 4. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are A minus 4 minus 2, B minus 3 minus 5, C 3 and minus 2, and D 2 and 3. Right? Taking diagonal AC, we have two triangles ABC and ACD. Okay friends, where we will consider figure in the brain, or else I can draw figure in the PDF. Now taking diagonal AC, we have two triangles ABC and ACD. If we add both the triangles, area of both the triangles, we will get the area of parallelogram, right? Whether it is parallelogram or any type of quadrilateral, we can find out this. So area of triangle ABC, x1 into bracket y2 minus y3, x2 into bracket y3 minus y1, and x3 into bracket y1 minus y2. So 1 upon 2, minus 4, minus 5 minus minus 2, minus 5 minus minus 2. We will take 3 points A, B, C, right? Minus 3 is x2 bracket minus 2 minus minus 2, that is plus 2, x3 that is 3, y2 minus y1 that is minus 2 minus minus 5. So we have minus 4 here, minus 5 plus 2 here, that is minus 3, minus 5 plus 2 means minus 3, and here minus 2 minus minus plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 that is 0, minus 3 into 0, and 3 into 3, because minus minus plus 5 minus 2 that is 3. Half 4 3s are 12, here minus minus plus 4 3s are 12, 3 into 0 that is 0, and 3 into 3 that is 9. 0 may be negative or positive, it doesn't matter. So I have taken here positive. Half into 21, because 12 plus 9 21, that is 10.5 square unit. Similarly, we will take area of ACD, right? We have taken ABC, now ACD. So we will take A, C and D, 3 points. Okay. So in this way we have got this x1 minus 4, minus 2 minus 3, x2 equals to 3, 3 minus minus 2, and x3 2, minus 2 minus minus 2. Okay. So 4 into minus 5, minus 4 into minus 5, 3 into 5 and 2 into 0. So we have got here 20 plus 15 plus 0. 20 plus 15 that is 35. Half into 35, 17.5 square unit. Now area of ABCD. Area of ABCD means ABC plus ACD. Both. So we have 28 square units. Okay. Question number 5. 5 and the last of the chapter as well as exercise. You have studied in class 9, chapter 9, example 3, that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. That we have already studied, right? Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4 minus 6, B 3 and minus 2, and C 5 and 2. So when median divides the triangle, there are two triangles and both the triangles are of equal areas. So first of all, let the median AD, where DXY, AD must be on BC. Median AD must be on BC. So B and C, 3 plus 5 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2, and minus 2 plus 2 by 2. So 8 by 2 and 0 by 2. So 4 and 0, right? 4, 0 is the points of D. Now we have two triangles, ABD and ACD. So first ABD, area of ABD half x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 and x3 y1 minus y2. Take here D, A and B, right? A, that is x1 4 minus 2 minus 4, sorry 0, minus 2 and 0. Then B means 3 here we will take 0 minus 6. Again 4 that is minus 6 minus 2. Okay, half into bracket 4 minus 2, here it will be minus 2 and 0 minus 6, that is plus 6, 3 into 6, and here it will be minus 4 because minus plus, minus 6 plus 4 equals to minus 4, minus 6 plus 2 equals to minus 4. Here 4 2s are 8, minus 8, 3 6s are 18 and 4 4s are 16. These both are negative. 16 and 8, that is 16 and 8 minus 24 plus 18, that is minus 6, right? But area never be negative, so we have considered here positive. 3 is positive, 3 square unit, area never be negative. Second, ACD, triangle ACD, half x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 and x3 y1 minus y2. So same thing, we have taken points of A, C and D. Therefore we have got here 8 plus 30 minus 32. Okay, 8 plus 30, 38 minus 32, we will get 6, and half into 6, that is 3 square unit. From 1 and 2 you can say both the triangles have same area, right? Here 3 and here 3. Therefore the median divides the triangle into two equal areas. This is proved. So friends, we have completed our exercise and the chapter also. Thank you for being with us, and suggest your friends for our classes, online classes, digital class. There are so many courses available on our class. Thank you very much.